Hi everyone, my name is Caroline Doherty and I'm from Greenville, North Carolina. Today I'm going to show you how to make masks out of t-shirts to help keep you and others safe from COVID-19, aka the coronavirus. So, why should you make your own mask instead of buying one at a store? Well, there is a severe shortage of N95 and surgical masks in this country. Manufacturers just can't keep up with the demand from hospitals and individuals. In fact, in North Carolina, we only have half the number of N95 masks that experts say we need. By making our own masks, we can reduce the demand for commercial masks so they can go to the heroes that are risking their lives for us every day to fight COVID-19. So, in order to make your own mask, just follow these steps. Pick a t-shirt that you wouldn't mind cutting or that you'd like to make into a crop top. It should be a cotton t-shirt like this one. Lay the shirt flat and get some scissors that can easily cut through both layers of the fabric. Now, you're going to cut the bottom third of the shirt completely off. With this section, you're going to cut out this shape. Now, you have a t-shirt face mask. To put it on, take the two top strings and tie them around your head. Take the two bottom strings and tie them around your neck. Now you're not done yet. You can make other masks from the same t-shirt and other t-shirts that you find around the house. To wash it, just throw it in the laundry. But make sure every time you go outside, you're either wearing a clean mask or a new one. I challenge each and every one of you to make at least 5 masks to give to your friends and family members. You will be helping doctors and nurses reduce the impact and spread of COVID-19. Thanks for watching.